You are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, active grille shutters, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, automatic climate control, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.